Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of credit card on the application of eBay. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about eBay app and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.